Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Alright, today I'm going to give you guys an understanding of this new Apple iPhone SE 2020. But it looks like a great deal in India with its base variant starting at just rupees 42,500. The main reason for excitement is purely the chip used inside the Apple iPhone SE 2020. It's the Apple A13 Bionic used inside, the same chip that powers the super expensive iPhone 11 series. There is a catch though. The chip used on the SE is underclocked when compared to the 11 series. But nevertheless, with a 750p display to run and 3 GB of RAM, the performance will be blazing fast. Although just a 4.7-inch screen to run, it's an LCD, and powering this is a tiny 1821 milliampere battery. Moderate users will probably be able to get through a day on a single charge, but power users without a doubt will struggle getting through a single day on a single charge. The battery used on the Apple iPhone SE 2020 is a big letdown. In a day and age where phones have 6 and above inch displays, creeping towards 7 inches, the iPhone SE 2 brings back the compactness of the yesteryears and will be a very comfortable one-hand usage phone. Although a compact display, the bezels are huge and the same as phones that came out prior before 2017. In terms of aesthetics and appearance, the iPhone SE 2020 looks like a very outdated phone. Even phones that cost under rupees 10,000 look more dated when compared to the iPhone SE 2020. Being a mere 4.7 inches, the display, although compact, is not going to be good for multimedia consumption, as everything on it will look rather squeezed in and completely spoil the experience. One of the biggest advantages of owning this phone will be the fact that the phone will receive 4 major software updates, technically a little over 4 years of updates. To add to the phone's list of features, it has an official IP67 water rating, wireless charging, and also stereo speakers. Now regarding the cameras, over here again it's similar to the iPhone 8, only a single rear camera at the back, which is 12 megapixels, and a 7 megapixel selfie camera. The cameras are not iPhone 11 Super. The pics taken on the cameras slightly better the iPhone 8, which was a decent camera experience, if not a great experience. Finally, who is this phone for in the end? Existing, and I mean only existing iPhone users who are planning to upgrade and who own the iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 and who specifically love the small phone factor. I would encourage y'all to buy the 128 GB variant, as the 64 GB base variant's memory will get over in no time, especially if you are in the habit of taking a lot of pics and videos. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.